All right, guys. So in this training, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website from scratch. You know, creating an e-commerce website is very simple using WordPress, and you can charge up to 150,000 naira. From 150,000 naira to 300,000 naira. For just an e-commerce website. So talking about e-commerce website, the popular one that we know is Jumia. Let's see Konga. So you can see this kind of website. You can set it up, and charge clients to, get this done for them. So you can see e-commerce website. So invariably you have your products, you have your prices, right? And you can search for a product, or you click on a product. Let's say you want to buy this product, you see, and you can maybe increase how many you want. Okay, this one, say one left, stuff like that. Say you want to buy a laptop. So let's say you want to buy this. So you can add to cart, and you see what you have added to cart here. You get it? So then you can proceed to buy, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to create this kind of website for your clients. So to create this kind of website, the first thing you need to do is, you have to buy a domain name from your client. So I usually like Q servers. Domain names a lot from them. So I can just go to Q servers, or you go to Namecheap. Whichever you want to use, you just purchase a domain name and hosting from them. If you already have a domain name and hosting, good for you. But if you don't have, for those that will be starting from scratch, that's why I'm taking my time to, go from scratch. So I can just do something like ecomguru.com, ecomgurus, e-commerce, okay, let me say e-commerce gurus.com. So you can just do a search for it. So you do a search for it. I also like so you can see, congratulations, e-commerce guru is available. I also like Namecheap very well. So just do e-commerce guru. So you see it will be available also here. So you can just add to cart. So from here, you see the domain name is 3,900. So I'll click on continue. So I'll need to add hosting. So no hosting. So I'll click on no hosting, add hosting. So I'll go for this hosting, which is 5,000 naira yearly. So use the domain name already in my cart, yes. So I'll just click on continue. All right, so I want to do annually, which is 1 year. So I'll tick on 1 year, and I'll click on continue. All right, so how's hosting 1 year? So DNS management is free. I'll just add it, and I'll click on continue. So can you see that? So I'm an existing customer. So you see that I'm an existing customer. So what do I want to pay? I want to pay with InterSwitch. So I just put on that, then accept, then check out. So if you ask me to make payment, can you see that? So if you ask me to make payment, so I'll just click on pay via GTPay. And I'm going to enter my email, but all the total money I'll pay 8,900. So I'll just click on continue transaction. So it's going to ask me for my credit card details, right? So it's going to ask me for credit card details. So I'll just enter my credit card details. Then I'll just purchase the domain name and hosting. Now, when I finish purchasing the domain name and hosting, the login details will be sent to me. So the login details will be sent to me, which is the cPanel details. So all I need to do is just go to the cPanel of what has been sent to me. So let's say, okay, let me just show you. Okay, so this is what I'm buying. So, right, so this is the domain name I'm buying, right? So domain name slash cpanel, right? So when I do that, it will ask me for a username and password. And when I enter the username and password, I'll be logged into this kind of a place. So all I need to do when I get here is just to click on Subtaculous. We just click on Subtaculous, right? So then you click on WordPress. So you click on Install WordPress, right? So you click on Install WordPress. So you see your domain name that you want to install WordPress on, and you see admin username, admin password, right? So you just click on install. When you do that, you know, WordPress will be installed for you on your server. So you can now log into your WordPress using your username and password, and you'll be taken to this kind of back end here, right? So when you have been taken here, it is now time for you to now start designing your website. It's now time for you to start designing your website, your e-commerce website. All right, so immediately you log in, you're going to see something like this on your back end, right? So now I want to start designing our e-commerce website. So in this website, you need what we call theme, right? You need what we call a theme, you know, to install on your server so that you can start designing. I already have a theme in mind that I want to use, and the name of the theme is called the Bazel theme. So what I would simply do, I just go to appearance and I'll go to themes. All right, so I'm going to click on what? Add new. I'm going to click on add new. Okay, so I'm going to click on upload theme. So I'll choose the theme I want to install. So I have a theme somewhere here. I'm going to provide a theme to you. I'll tell you how you're going to get a theme. So the name of the theme is Bazel. So Bazel theme. So this particular one is what I need. So I'll just click on it. Then click on open. Then click on install. So the theme installation will start. It's going to take some time to install. So let's. Okay, so immediately you finish installing the theme, the next thing you need to do is to click on activate. So I'm going to activate the theme. All right, so when you activate the theme, you will not see this notification here. So the theme requires the following plugins. So you need to install all of these plugins. So you click on begin installing plugins. Right, so you see all of the plugins that the team needs. So you just select all here, then click here, click on install, then you click on apply. So you see all of these plugins have been installed. So immediately you do that, just go to your dashboard and click on dashboard. So you will see activating, begin updating or begin activating. So after installing, you need to activate. So I'm going to click on activating plugins. So you see all of the plugins again. So you just click on it here, go to activate, then you click on apply. Awesome. So it's asking for us to update this, so we can update it if you like. So we have installed our theme, we have installed and activated our theme. So the next thing is asking you now to get your store up and running. Now, using WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an application or a plugin that is used to design, you know, e-commerce websites. Every e-commerce website you see with WordPress, most like 90% of them uses what? WooCommerce. So this plugin is the masterpiece of um, e-commerce website using WordPress. So you are going to set this plugin up. So let's go now. So yes, please. Good. So you have to enter your address. So I'm going to enter my address. Ensure that you are entering the address of your client, or the person that you are designing the site for. If the person is in USA or if it's in South Africa, make sure you are entering USA, South Africa. But for this case, I'm going to use Nigeria. So I'm going to use Nigeria. I'm going to use Nigeria, Edo. So I'm setting up a store for a client. So let's click on continue. Let's click on continue. Okay, which industry does the store operate? Fashion, health and beauty, electronics and computers. So I'm just going to click on electronics and computers. Click on okay. Let me do fashion too, health and beauty, art and music. So I'll click on continue. So I'm selling physical products. I just click on that. Then I'll continue. How many products do you want to display? So you can say any of these. Currently selling here. Just say no. Then click on continue. Wow, plugins were successfully activated. Right? So now it's telling you to choose what? To choose a theme. So WooCommerce come with a lot of themes, but you're not going to go with them. You're going to go with the budget theme. So you say continue with my active theme. Okay, enhance your store with Jetpack. Just say no thanks. Awesome, awesome. You're almost there, awesome. So our team has been installed, and our WooCommerce plugin has been installed. So I'll just go on and go to let me go to dashboard. So I'm going to go into plugins, install plugin. I'm going to install one plugin called Classic Editor. Classic Editor. So I'm going to come here, add new. So activate. I already have it. Okay. So you install, in your own case, you just install and activate it. I already have it installed, so it's activated. So now my theme is ready. My site is almost ready. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to import what we call the demo content. Demo content. So when you come to your Bazaar, you see base import. So I'll click on base import. Yes, I'll click on base import. Now you can see it's only if you want to use your import function, slider evaluation. Okay, it's like our slider revolution is not yet. Let's check for it first. Okay, it's asking for update. Okay, plugin updated. So very important. Let's go to plugins. Slider revolution needs to be active. So let's activate it. Okay, so it has been activated, right? So now let's go back to Bazel, then click on base import. All right, so you now see import base data, right? So you just click on it. So it's going to take you some time for the base data to import successfully. So you just chill and allow it to, successfully install. Now, this base data contains all your website information, all the details, all the products you'll be selling, they are all inside this base data. So you want to let it, install, successfully. So let's watch it. Wow, awesome. So base domain content successfully imported and installed. Can you see that? Successfully imported and installed. Now, when you finish it, one thing I like about this thing is that you can select which kind of data you want to see. For example, we have faction, we have lightning, we have a lot of them. We have marketplace, just name them. We have a lot of them. We have watch store, we have flower store, construction, corporate, and all of that. So you might want to choose which one you want to go with. So let's say our store is about electronics. I can click on electronic. I click on setup version. Can you see that? Setup version, all data imported successfully. So now let's see our site. Wow, awesome. Can you see that? Wow. Can you see that? Can you see? This is so awesome. Can you see that? So our demo content has been installed. Now let's say if I want to change it from electronics, I want to change it to fashion. Okay, let me change it to fashion. So fashion has been activated. So let me refresh it again and see. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that of fashion? Can you see that? It's so awesome. All of these are demo content. So let's go back. Let's try one more. Okay, let's do wash. Okay, let's do marketplace. So this is marketplace. So you see, you have a lot. This budget team is so awesome. It's so awesome that you almost get everything you need for an e-commerce website. Can you see this? It's so awesome. Can you see that with categories and all of that? It's so awesome. So, but I would like to go back to the electronics. Let me see this fashion new. Let me just check this. So I'm going to refresh this again. Wow, this is cool. It's really cool. So can you see that? So it's just like you have, you know, Jumia and Konga, you know. Can you see this? Can you see all of that? So let me go back to electronics. Let me go back to electronics. I want to use electronics. So I'll go back to electronic demo. We'll set up this version. So let me refresh this again. Awesome. Can you see? Electronic version. You have the search bar and see you have your categories all listed, and you have your products, new arrivals, bestsellers. You know, can you see all of that? So the next thing you need to start doing now is to what? You start editing this website, you know, to your own taste, and start what? Adding your what? Your content to make this website, you know, yours or ready for your clients. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to first of all, you know, change the logo. So maybe you might want to get your logo from your client, or you might want to help them to design their own logo. So you can help them get their logo ready. So like for this one now, I can okay, let me open the logo. So I'm using Fireworks to get the logo designed. So this is the logo white. So can you see that? So I can just remove what they have there, and I can just design my logo. Ecom Group. So I can give it color of my choice so I can see. Ecom Guru. So as simple as that. Can use that as my logo. So I want to give it white again. So I'll just save this. Save. Now go back. So now I'll go back to team settings. So I'll go to team settings. So when team setting is loading, let me quickly search for some of the things I want to sell. So let me open this. So there are some of the stuff I want to sell. So this is one. So I'll just save this. Product one. So that's one. Go back to my home page. So I want to sell this shoe. I want to sell this shoe also. I like this. So that's two. Okay, this is also very calm. So that's three. So let me go back to my home page. So I'm trying to source for my product which I want to sell. So for you, your product would have been given to you by your client. So the product will be given to you by your client. So I'm just going to have some. Okay. So I'm just going to save as many as I can. Save image. So you might want to get your product ready and ensure that your images are well designed. You can see this image is well designed, and they should also have the same size. Sure, I can also, okay. Can save this. Let me just save two versions of this. So you can see how they got all of this. We'll do something like that also. So let me add this version of it so that people can have varieties of pictures to look at. So we'll go to team settings, then we'll go to general. So we'll go to general, right? So we're going to look for the logo. So you come to header, and you see the logo. Can you see that? So you're going to upload the logo. Click on upload. that's my logo. I'm going to put my logo. So you're going to select that. I'm going to do the same thing for this. Select that. The same thing for this. I'm going to select that. So I'm going to click Save Changes. So I'm going to refresh the site. Can you see that? My logo is already set. Awesome. Now, I also want to change the name of the website to Ecom Guru. So I'm going to go to Settings. I'll go to General. So this is where you set the name. So mine will be Ecom Gurus. So I'll say buy phones, laptops, electronics, clothing in Nigeria. All right, so I'm going to save that. So I'm going to refresh this page. Can you see that Ecom Gurus, buy phones, and all of that? So that's a very good one. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the colors. Let's say I don't like this color, right? So let's say my client color is red. So I want my website to be red. So I'm going to come back to appearance and go to general again. So you can click on my top bar. Select top bar color. Can you see that? So I can do something like red. Can you see that? So I can just click Save Changes. Let's refresh and see. Can you see that? So also, can you see the phone number up here? This phone number here. Get the phone number from here. See that phone numbers. So if you scroll where you see the phone number, look at them. Look at the phone number. So I'll just remove it and put mine was 23467. Right. So I'm going to save that. So I refresh that. You're going to see the changes. Right. So let's look at the header layout. Full width of sticky header. So this is the header layout. You can just decide to select anyone, but I think I like it that way, right? So let's look at styles and colors. So primary color, we've already chosen red. So our primary color here will be red. So it save changes. So that means all of these colors will be red. Okay. So can you see that all of these will change to what? To red. Okay, before we go on, let's add one or two products. So for you to add your product, you just go to products, you click on all products. So you see all the products showing on the website. These are all the products. If you add a new product, you can just click on add new product. If you want to edit already existing product, just click on this product here. So let me just click on this product here. So let's say the first product I want to add, look at the product image here. So I'll just click on it. And I will upload the product image. So let's say this cam disk. So I'll select the product image. right? So this is the product description. So let me go back to Jumia. Let me check the description there. So this is the scan disk. So I'll take the description from here. So I'll replace it with this. Then I'll click on this edit button. Make sure you remove this. Then click on OK. So this is the product details. So product details, I can just come here, copy this, and put the short description here. Right? See, first short description here. Now go back here, copy all of these, and move down. Yes, this. So you put the longer description here. So if I still want to get more of the description, which is specifications and all of that, I can copy it from here. You can also put that there, right? So now I'm going to set your price. So let's say my scan disk is 2,000 naira. We're going to change this to naira. Showing dollar, I'm going to change it to naira. But let's say I put 2,000 naira there. So which category does it belong to? Let me see all the categories. So I'm going to add a new category, and I will say electronics. I'll press enter. So I'm going to update this. Okay, so let's go to our front end and refresh our site. Can you see the scan disk? Can you see that? So if I click on it now, can you see it? Can you see the description? Everything that we added. Can you see that? So that's it. So I'll go back. I want to take this longer description. Yes, I'll take this longer description and add it here. And take the shorter description and add it here. So I'm going to save this again. Clicking update. So let me refresh. Yeah, can you see that? Awesome. So I can add as many as I want to add. So let's go back to our home page again. Now, so that's how you can add any of the products. Let me add another product. So I can go to products again, or products. So I can also come here, edit that second product. So I can replace the product image. Okay, so I have the shoe. So I have that shoe that I really like. So this is the shoe, men's casual leather dress, men's casual shoes, business dress. So I like that. So as usual, put it here and remove this. So I'll take the description. Can take the description. Say from here. So I'll put the shorter description here. And I'll put a longer one here. So you can copy, then you can also copy everything that you have there. So put it here. So this is man. So I put it on man, then put it on shoes. So I'll go back to the prices. So let's say the price is 5,000. So make sure it's regular, and when you come to inventory, make sure it's in stock. If it's out of stock, you say out of stock. So make sure it's in stock. So 5,000 naira. So let's say I want these shoes to be, okay, I'll use another product to do that. So let me just update. So let's come back to our front end and see what we have been doing. Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that? So before we go further, okay, let me add one more. So I'll go back to product, but this time around I want to add it from scratch. I don't want to edit all of this anymore. So I want to add. So let's say add new. So I'll click on add new. Let's say you want to add a new product. So I'll go to add product, set product image. So I'll upload the product image. So this time around I want to use an image. I want to use a product with more than one image. So I want to use these products. So I want to use these products. So I'm going to select the product. So you see product gallery. So you can add product gallery. So I'll click on this now, upload this. So when you have more than one image of a product, you can use the gallery to add it. So I'll just add this. You can upload as many as you have, even up to 10, 20. So but I just want to put only this, right? So the product name, let me get the product name. So let's say true wireless headphone. So that's the name. I put it here. So I get a description. So I'll go down, put a shorter description here, and take the longer description. So your client is going to supply you all of this. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to put it there, right? So I'm going to put it on a category. I can say electronics, right? So I'm going to set the price. Let's say regular price. Let's say 1,000 naira, right? So I have to add a very new product. Also, I'm also going to show you how to delete a product. So there's something we did not check. Please ensure you put it, ensure it's in stock. Inventory in stock, good. So let's go to all products. So let's say I want to remove this product. I don't like this product, I want to remove it. So I'll just click on trash. So that's how to remove a product. It's trashed already. So now let's preview and see what we have. Yeah, can you see? Can you see what we have? We already have 3 products, listed on our website. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's so awesome. You see all the product listed. So now let's go and change it to Naira. So I don't want it to be showing that. So I'll go to WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce, then you go to settings. Go to settings. Set to all countries, ship to all countries, set to. So currency, you see that the currency has to be Nigeria. NGN. Yes, so you have to set that to Nigeria. So it saves changes. So when we come back, so you see, can you see that? Now I want to do a product with, like this one is 13% discount, right? So let's do a product with discount. So I'll go to products again, go to all products. So let's edit this product. So let's get the image of the product. Okay. So let's get this product. Let's use this product. All right. So let's get this product up. So that product, what's its name? What's the name of the product? Let me check the name of the product. Okay. Nova 3 A1 straightener and color. Right. So that's the name of the product. So I'll click OK. Let me get the description of the product. Alright, so I can just say woman accessory. Yeah, that's a good one. So now let's go to pricing. Let me show you something on pricing. Now you see regular price means the product is sold for 319 naira. But let's say the regular price of this product is 4,000. But I want to sell it for what? 3,500. Meaning this product is 4,000 naira, but I'm selling it for 3,500 with what? 5%, 5,000 naira off. You get it now? So let's save this and see what's going to happen. So you see what's going to happen. We have percentage discount on that particular product. Yes. Yes, can you see that? Has 13% discount. Can you see that? Instead of 40,000 naira, you see that you're buying, instead of 4,000 naira, you're buying for 3,500 naira. Right? So that's the way it works. So let's add two more products to this. Let's add two more products to this. So I'm going to add two more products to this. So let me add this phone product. So I'm just going to leave this description the way it is. And let's say 50,000. So I'm just going to leave that the way it is and click on update. So let me add one more product to it. So go to all products. So let me add this to it. So you know what to do. So I can just put it for 2,300 naira. Right? So let's change the image. Set products. So just make sure it's in stock. Now click on updates. Let's see our store so far. Awesome. So you can see our store. We have 6 products listed. Got the best seller. So you can click on view all products. Okay, I'm going to link that. So let's say we want to buy a product now, you have to click on the product. Can you see that? So look at the product. Let's say you want to buy 2. So you click on add to cart. It's going to show up here. Can you see that? View cart. Can you see that? You're buying 2 of the products. That's why you're saying this here. Can you see that? So you can say you want 1 and you can update carts. It's going to update your cart back to 1 product for you. Can you see that? Up 1,000 naira. Can you see that? So you can go back to your home page. So you can see it's updated. So I'm going to go back to my backend and all the other demo products, I don't need them anymore, so I'm going to delete them. So I don't need these 2 products anymore. Just click on the 2, bulk action, and move to trash. So that's how you add products to your e-commerce website. You can keep adding as many as you want and just keep adding. Good. So you can see them. So the next we're going to look at is we're going to look at our categories, these categories here, and our menus here. So you see, we have a lot of menus, and we don't really need all of these menus. We just need few menus, just like you have Jumia, Konga, and all the likes. See, you don't even have much. I go have menu. Just need few things on the menu. So we're gonna do that. So to do that, we go to appearance, then we go to menus. So go to appearance, go to menus. So this is the category. So let's leave the category first. Let's go to the word main navigation. We click on select, leave. So you see all of those things we are seeing here, all of this. So we don't really need them. So what I'll first of all do, I'll delete the menu. So I'm going to delete the menu. Good, deleted the menu. So I'm going to recreate it. So I'll click on create. So I'll call it main. I'll call it any name. So that menu is created. So I'm going to put this one as showing front page is what we're using. Then blog page about us. Right, so maybe a fact page. Yes, I think I'm cool with that. So let me look for a contact page. Cancel with search contacts. Okay, our shop, this one is very important too. General contacts. Okay, any page that we don't have, we can create it. So our shop will be number 2. So here will be home. All right. So now assign it to what main menu. Can also assign it to the mobile side menu. Can just assign it to the main menu. So let's refresh. Yes, can you see that? Can you see that? So if we go back to our shop. Okay, now this our shop is supposed to take us to something like this. Let me show you something. It's supposed to take us to visit store. So you see that when you visit store, you're going to see your apparel. So I'm going to pick this link, then go back to menu. On this our shop, I'm going to delete it. I'll remove it. So I'll come to custom link. So I'll put this URL here, and I'll say our shop. So I'll add to menu. Can move it, save, can move it and drop it there. So I'll save. So let me go back to my home page and click on our shop. Can you see that? That's taking me to where I want us to be. So this is our shop. All your products will be listed here. Can you see that? So I would like to list maybe 2 more products here so that I can have this very uniform. But you know, this is very cool and calm. Yeah, very cool and calm. Very cool and calm. So these are my categories. So now let's deal with the categories now. Let's deal with the categories. All of these, I don't need them. So I want to do away with all of them. So I just need some of the categories I have here. So let's go to categories. Say furniture. Okay, let's add a category. So I'm going to go to categories, fractional. Let me add fraction. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to come here. I just added the word fashion. So you can see that this is fashion. So I'm going to delete every other category I have there. So I'm going to delete. Okay, let me just look for the one that I have. I'm going to leave only the one that does not have menu. So women's clothing, bags, women's clothing, men's clothing, bags. I'm going to remove all of them. So women's clothing, because I want to keep it simple. Remove men's clothing. Remove bags. Remove. So let's save all of that. So let's refresh. So bags and shoes. Let me remove bags and shoes. Bags and shoes. So I'll remove it. Good. So if I want to add more category, let's say category. I think I added one that time. Sorry. It's gonna be product category. Yeah. View. I added one. What is the one I added that time? I think I added electronics. So I'll add electronics. So I'm going to move this electronics up. So you can just remove whatever you want to remove and add whatever you want to add. So can remove this. So that's how to add categories. So people can come to your website and search with categories, right? Good. So if I click on electronics now, for instance, all the products that I selected to be under electronics, can you see that they will all show up? So that's the way it works. If you click on accessories, product that are in accessories will show. Bags, product on bags will show if you know product. Electronics will also show the products in electronics. Can you see that? The one that is under man will show up. Can you see that? So you might want to categorize very well and ensure that the products are in their right category. So that is very, very good. So as you can see, we are making a whole lot of progress. So the next thing we want to do is we want to start, um, designing, our pages, designing all these pages that we are seeing, all these stuff we are seeing here, right? So I'll just click on edit, click on this here. All right. So you cannot see when you click on edit, you cannot see where to edit all of this information here. So for instance, if I click on this promo banner, so you can see that a powerful sound. So by sound systems. I see that shop now. So this shop now, look at the. So I want to connect it to our shop. So our shop. So I'll just put the link there. Apply. Can you see that? Can you see that? So and you can see the image there is 600 by 300. So I can do something like 600 by 300, and I'll say custom color red, right? So can you see that? So I can click on image preview, use JPEG. So I'm going to organize all these images so that you can have access to them. I'm going to upload all of them too. So I'll just save it that way. So you can see I'll just remove this and bring that up. All right, so I bring that up. So click on save changes. Can you see that? So I'll close that and I'll click on update. So let's see what we've done so far. Can you see that? I can even change this text to be white. Change this text to be white. Yeah, I can change this to be white. So let me go to the text. So this is the color code here. Can change it to be white. Let me see. FFF is black. Let's use white. black is 000. Okay, so I'll do the same thing here. I'll do the same thing here. Right, for camera accuracy, so same thing, I can put the link. So with the same image here. So can update. So I'll do the same thing here. So I'll do the same thing here. So this time around, I want to use a blue. So what's the image size? 280 by 450. So I can do 280 by 450. So let me do a blue, very dark blue here. So I can remove this, upload this. So you can see that sharp now. So I can also change whatever I want to change. So let me just leave it that way. Can you see all of that? So let me update to see what we have done so far. Wow, this is excellent. Wow, excellent. Can you see that? Can you see that? So I want to change here also. Then we have bestseller. I can just click on this to edit it. Bestseller. So shop with us with free of mind and get discounts on a daily basis. Right. So just save this. I'm going to close that. Can you see that? So this is a video player. Can you see that? This is also a banner which we can edit. Can edit all of this, but I don't want to edit all of this. I want to delete it. So let me use this to show you something that you don't want. You want to remove it. So it's hard to do that. So this particular rule from here, this is the house of all of this. So just delete it. Can you see that? All of them is gone. So I'm going to update it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we're going to continue with this design. So the next aspect of the design that we're going to look at is we're going to look at the slider revolution, right? So this is the slider revolution. This one here displaying all the slides, right? So we're going to look at them. So just go to your back end, click on slider revolution. So it's going to take me to the slider revolution. So here is the slider revolution, the one controlling the slide. So here is the slide 1. So as you can see on the slide 1, you can see these things here that you can change. So I can do something like this. I'll say so I can do something like that. Right, so I can do something like this. So you can see that. Then the price, I can do something like you see that. So add to cart, I'll click on this button. Click on this button here, add to cart. I can do something like buy now. And you see that. So the link, I'll go to actions. I'll go to action, then click. Then I'll come here, I'll say simple link. So let's say this is the link to the iPhone. So let's say this is the link to the iPhone. So I'll copy the link and put it right here. And I'll save it. So I would like to replace this image here with the iPhone image. So see, we have two images here. Let me see if I can get the exact size of that image. So first of all, I'm going to go and download iPhone X. I'm going to download it. So I click on images. So let's see this. And let's see this also. Okay, take this as one of the images. 445 by 861. 445 by 861. Let's do that. So I'll do something like this. 445 by 861. Transparent. So let me reduce the size here, so I can see my screen very well. So let me download this. For which iPhone saver. So let me bring it up here. So this is here. Let me bring it up here. See that. Okay. So I'll remove the background. Remove the background. Right click on this and say mark you. Say feather. I'll give it 15. Okay, just remove the background. So let's see if this will go well. So let me image preview. PNG. So iPhone. So let me go back here and bring the iPhone and see. So iPhone. Let's see what we have. So insert it there. Yeah, that's awesome. That's so awesome. So let's do that for this other one. Let's see this. So you must be very careful the kind of images you are taking, so that it's going to give you what you need. So let's see this one. Let's see this. Look for a better image. Let's see this. What would it give us? Okay, I think this one is cool. So I'm going to download this. So I'll just remove this and bring this back. So there is it. And now we just drag and draw here. So this is what I want here. Or I can just do something like this. Go to remove.bg, upload. So you can just remove the background with this. Yeah, so background removed for me. Just download that. Then let me open it. Download. So I'm going to open it up. Good. So this is what I need. I'll just cut it, bring it here. Don't resample. Good. So just drag it. Whatever size I could get, just drag it. So I think I'm okay with it. Fits the canvas. So image preview. So I'm going to export this. So I'm going to go back here. So this time I want to change it. This is the one I want to change right now. So let's double click on it. And I for CC. So it's uploading. So I'm going to insert that. Wow, can you see that? Awesome. So I'm going to save this. I click here to save. So let's go back to our home page and see what we have done. Let's see. Wow, can you see that? So awesome. Can you see that? So awesome. Can you see that? When you click on buy now, it take you to that particular site particular link. So also, can you see that? Take it to that particular link. So let's go back. So if I like, I can even come here. This is the number 2. I can delete it. I can delete number 2. And I can also duplicate this. So you see number 2, I duplicate it. Then I can re-edit it if I want to. I can also duplicate again. Duplicate again. You get it now. So I have 3 of each. Okay, duplicate and save, sorry. And I can duplicate again. So I have 3 of each. So you can go back and edit every other one. So this second one can be any amount and all of that. I can change all of this. So let's refresh back. So you can see our site looking so good. So that's that. The same way you can, so you see a category, you can search, scan disk. You can do a search, just like you go and search for a product in any of the site. Okay, we don't have anything like scan disk. Okay, let's see, we should have something like scan disk on the website. Okay, SanDisk, not scan disk. Okay, so let's try it and see. SanDisk. So you can see, can you see that? It brings out. Can you see that? It brings it out for you. So you can see everything is working so perfectly. And you see related products. So come here and see related products. Can you see that? So awesome. Okay, the next thing we want to look at is, let's look at the footer. This is the footer area. So this is the remaining part of A for going to payment method. So let's edit the footer. For you to edit the footer, you go to appearance, then you go to widgets. Go to appearance, then you go to widgets. So you see footer 1. Can you see that? See footer 1, you see text. You see text and you see the link to the logo. So let's go and replace that with the link for our own logo. So I'll go to media library. So here we have our logo. This is our logo. And this is the link to the logo. So I'll just copy the link. And I'll come to footer 1. Can you see that? I'll paste it there. Can you see that? So the name of, so I can say Ecom. Then the name is Google. So can you see that? So I can save that. That's footer 1. So I go to column 2, our stores. So you see all the link href, our store. So you can just replace the link with something like this. So let's say maybe our shop. Our shop is the link to our shop. So you can come here and replace it. See now. So I can call it what? Shop. Can you see that? So I can do the same thing here. I can say our blog. So this is about me. So I can come here now and say put a link there and say about us. Can you see that? So you can decide to remove the others if I like. So I'm going to save this. So that's how you change your link. So you go to footer column 3, information, and see that about our store. So you can put a link there also. So here can be new collections. Let's say okay, you can use category. So I can say electronics category. So it's electronics category. And put it here. And I say electronics. And you see that. So I can remove all of this if I want to. Save that. So let's go to column 4, useful link. So privacy policy, I can leave that. Then terms and conditions, I can leave that. I can create a page for all of that. So let me remove all of this. So I'm going to save that. So footer column 5. So Instagram profile, I can put instagram.com/webits. Can you see that? So here can be our blog. The test is here can be our blog. So Instagram. I'm just going to remove this, all of this here, turn them. So I'll save that. So let's go to 6, about our store. So here I can write about our store. Can you see that? Say Kangaroo is a worldwide store. Can you see that? So all of this and the address and all of that can change everything here. So just save. So far so good. Let's look at what we have done. So you can change everything you want to change from there. So let's go to the footer area where I can see everything perfect. Can you see that? Everything is what? Perfect. So that's how to. So let me now show you how to add pages. So let's say I want to add a page. I want to add more pages. Let's say I want to add contact page now. I can just go to pages and I say add new. So I can say contact us. So please contact us at number 15 Elisha Road, where you see that, so can make it bolder. So I'm going to publish. So after publishing that, I'm going to assign it to the menu. So I want it to be around here on the menu. So I'll go to appearance and I'll go to menus. So what menu do I want to assign it to? I want to assign it to the main menu. This is the main menu, so I'll select the main menu. So what do I want to contact us? So add to menu. So contact us. It's about me. I push it up here. So read about us. So I'm going to save that. So you can see that we are good to go. Awesome. And you see that? We are good to go. Everything is set. So it's remaining this here. We can edit this and change the video. So let's click on edit with. So you can also edit other pages with this same stuff here. So let's first of all let's change this link. View all products. So all products will be shop. Our shop. So I'll copy this link, paste it here, save it, close it. So here, video player. Let's edit this video player. So you see the VMO link of the video link. So you can want to change it. You can upload the video to VMO and change the link here to give you that video. The same thing like we have been editing all of these stuffs here. All of these stuffs here. So you can also do the editing of all of this here, right? So as you can see, we are done. So I'll just click on update. So as you can see, we have successfully created a full-fledged e-commerce website. So the next thing that we are going to do is, wow, you can see everything is looking so sweet and good. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add payments, right? We're going to add payments so that people can purchase online and we get the money in our account. So for you to integrate payment, you use Paystack. There are so many payment methods you can use with. You can use Paystack. Paystack is very easy, right? Very, very easy. So when you go to Paystack, you just go to developers, go to overview. So when you scroll down, there is a plugin. Can you see that WordPress? So you just click on it. So Paystack from Paystack Ecommerce. So this is what we need here. Paystack Ecommerce plugin is what we need here. This is, so just click on it. So you can see the plugin here. So ask you to download. So I've downloaded the plugin. So I'll just go to my website and go to plugins. Click on add new. So I'll click on upload. I'll choose the file. So this is the plugin. I'll install the plugin. So this will help us integrate payments so that people can come and pay with their credit card, buy your stuff and pay with their credit card. So then you activate the plugin. Good. When you activate the plugin, so you just go to Ecommerce, then you go to settings. So you go to settings, just go straight to payments. So when you go to payments, you see pay stack. Can you see that pay stack? If you are designing for an international client, maybe they use PayPal, you can just activate PayPal, check payment and all of that. But we're interested in pay stack here because it's a Nigeria website. So you just activate pay stack here. Then you click on setup. So you see setup, then you enable pay stack. You can just write anything you want here and all of that. Enable test modes. So you can select inline or embed. You see how both work. So you see test key, then public key. So this key will be given to you by Paystack when you create an account. So if you don't have a Paystack or your client does not have a Paystack account, you just need to create a Paystack account for the client. So when you create a Paystack, very easy. You verify the account, then you sign in. So this is my Paystack account. So this is my Paystack account. So I'll just go to let's go to settings. Then you go to API keys and webhooks. Yes, so you see the live key API. So you copy it. Live key API, you have to copy it. Test secret key. So you're going to paste it there. So then you go back to public key, copy it also. So this is the magic. This is where the magic happens. Where Paystack is connected to your website to enable payments. So you just save changes. So our site is ready. So let's test. So let's test. So I come to the site. Let's say, okay, let me remove this pop-up. So let's say I come to the site. I want to buy. So I click on, let's say I like this iPhone 11. So I click on buy now. So this is your amount. You see, so I can add to the cart. So you see, I have the carts. I can view the carts. Right? So I can go to shop and add more products. So let's say I like this shoe. Click on this shoe. And I also want to add to the cart. So I can click on checkout and see the total of what I'm buying. 55,000 naira for two. So you see, make payment using your debit card. Can you see that Paystack activated? So I have to register on the site. Let me see. So enter my phone number, enter my email address. right? So then I'll place my order. Okay, so you can see, can you see that? So it's asking me to enter my credit card details. So I have to enter my credit card detail, enter my information, and I click on make payment. Can you see that? So that's the way it works. And immediately I make payment, the order will be received. So how do you know that an order has been received? So you just go to orders. Can you see that? See my order here, pending payment. So you can even click to see the full information about the order. So you can see what the person is buying. Can you see that? The amount. And you can even add a note and send to the person. You can email invoice to the person and all of that. So that's how you know that you have an order and you fulfill the order. So pending payment, you can say process it and hold completed and all of that. So then you can click on update. So that's just the way it works. So we have been able to design a full-fledged e-commerce website from scratch. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I'm very sure that at the end of this lesson, you'll be able to design full-fledged e-commerce website. Now, if you need the theme for this website, you can just send me a DM. Send me a message. Send me a message on 0706711692. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to tell you what it takes to get the theme and maybe the software that I use for my graphics. It's very, very simple for you to use. And also, I would like you to enroll for my full digital web training, which is available at So register for my full digital web design training, how to start your profitable website development and digital marketing agency from scratch without any coding skill, no experience needed. So you can see all that I've taught you on the e-commerce website. There is nothing like coding, and we finish a full-fledged site that you can charge you up to 300K for, right? So you can see what these guys are saying about my training. These are millionaires that have made a lot of money from my trainings. So you can see what they are saying. You can listen to them. The same skill has made me over 50 million in the last few years. Yeah. So, and on this video, I shared with you everything that I'm giving out. E-commerce website is just one of the stuffs. I have over 10 different kind of websites. Just listen to the video and opt into this program. You can get instant access from here, and you see all the frequently asked questions. So I believe that if you want to become my next success story, or you want to become a millionaire, you need to get this high-paying skill, and I'll show you your life will never remain the same. I'm not bragging. Done it for a lot of young people, 1,000 of them doing well in the industry. So it's your time to shine. Stop complaining about money. So I'll be waiting for you on the inside, up to for my web design full package, and your life will never remain the same. So if you have any question, you can DM me, send me a message. I'll be right there with you. Thank you so much.